Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by laying out the numbered canvas and organizing paints in numeric order so you can move smoothly. This reduces mistakes and speeds you up. You dip the medium brush into the first mid-tone color and fill large background areas because blocking shapes first gives structure and prevents accidental color overlap. Once done, rinse between colors and blot the brush. This keeps hues pure and avoids muddy transitions. Make sure to follow the reference sheet to map the numbers visually as you go. You now shift to mid-process focus. Concentrate on mid-size shapes, then tackle small numbered sections using the fine brush for precision because detailed areas define the subject. Once a region is painted, apply 1 or 2 thin coats rather than one thick layer to keep texture even. Thin coats dry faster and reduce cracking. As you progress, rotate the canvas so your hand doesn't smudge finished work, and when colors meet, feather the edges slightly to create smooth transitions and visual depth. You complete the painting by stepping back and scanning for missed numbers and uneven edges, because distance reveals value and contrast issues. Then add final highlights and fine lines with the smallest brush to sharpen features. If you see a wet mistake, blot immediately with a clean cloth. If a dried error persists, lightly sand the spot and repaint the number. This restores the surface. Once everything is flawless and fully dry, apply a clear varnish to protect colors and unify sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.